Hey, what's up guys? Alex here and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing well wherever you may be, and camping is just around the corner. I got my rooftop tent to install. Stick around and let's do the install together. This should be fun. So let's just go over the tools and the materials needed to do the install. And basically what we have here is a two-person tent by Burmis Outdoor Company. And to start off, we have the tent itself. We have the tensioning rods, the rails, the installation hardware, and we have the rail, ladder, and rack hardware. And I'll be installing these in that specific order, and even I cannot screw this up because everything is labeled. We have the ladder and the travel cover. As far as tools are concerned, we have a 10 and 13 millimeter wrench and a socket wrench and a screwdriver just in case. And also we have the end caps for the rails over here. So I'm going to start with the rail installation, and we'll take it from there. To install the rail, we have a lock washer right here, and it slides into this channel. Basically just line it up to that hole. We see that nut right there, and this goes in from inside. Line it up to that hole and tighten it up so you can see it clearly. So basically this comes out from the other end, and line it up to the hole on the rail and tighten up the bolt. So I just finished installing the rails. Next step is the telescopic ladder, and let's get to it. So we're now ready to install our hardware for the telescopic ladder, and let's start with this bracket right here. Just basically line it up with the holes. Washer stays on, and just basically fish it through the hole. Next one. Okay, be sure to put a bit of Loctite. Oops. Now we're ready to mount the ladder onto the bracket. So we take this assembly here, nut and bolt assembly here. There's a plastic washer, and that would go in between the bracket, this bracket here and this bracket here. So the idea is we don't want the two metal pieces to be rubbing up against each other, so this will act like a damper. Now we take our 13 millimeter socket wrench and the wrench, and the idea here is not to over tighten. It's a lock washer, so that will stay in place, and we don't want too much friction between the two pieces here. There you go. So next step, we're going to mount this onto the Billiebars, and that should be it. So the way the brackets work is you take one of these babies here, slide one of the bolts, and it goes into this channel right here, and these will slide it into place and basically tighten it with a nut to hold the railing down onto the bed rail. Now it's time to install the travel cover. So there you have it, guys. The installation is complete. It took me a lot longer than anticipated, but overall it was still a pretty straightforward install. There's just some tight spots where you have to really maneuver your way around and be patient with things, but other than that, overall it was still pretty straightforward. So if you have any questions or comments, please hit me up down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'd consider subscribing, and please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon. So for now, if you can be anything, you might as well be nice.